Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Semrush on WordPress for SEO audits, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Semrush on WordPress for SEO audits, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type Semrush. Locate the official Semrush plugin in the search results. Click the Install Now button next to the Semrush plugin. Wait for the installation to complete, then click Activate. Once activated, go to the Semrush plugin settings in your dashboard menu. You will need to connect your Semrush account. Click on Connect to Semrush and follow the prompts to log in. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one on the Semrush website. After connecting your account, return to the plugin settings. Here, you can configure your preferences for SEO audits. Select the type of audit you want to perform. You can choose options like site health checks and keyword tracking. After selecting your preferences, save your settings. To run your first SEO audit, navigate to the Semrush plugin in your dashboard. Click on Run Audit to analyze your site. Review the audit results provided by Semrush. Use the insights to improve your site's SEO performance. Regularly check back for updates and new audit reports. This will help keep your website optimized for search engines. With these steps completed, you are now set to use Semrush for SEO audits on your WordPress site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.